Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue the processes risk assessment. We have finished in the previous video the first HACCP in our process. Now we'll continue the normal other processes. We'll continue about the bottle filling. The HACCP team have decided that the physical hazard there is severity 3 and the probability are 2, so the outcome is 6, which is not significant risk. But what are the risk from this bottles filling? We are explaining that the dirty bottles like dust or dirt in the bottles either from the supplier or from my company or my facility improper storage. So there must be control in this part. So I'm mentioning that there is a possible physical hazard from the bottles itself, because most of the beverage companies are importing the bottles from the suppliers. So there is a risk from the improper cleaning of this process or contaminated from the supplier itself. The control mechanism, either I'm cleaning these bottles in my company, so the proper cleaning process is very important. Also, there is about the certified bottle supplier that he is complying with our standards, either by the supplier audit. We are making a supplier audit on this packaging material, which is primary packaging material. There is two types of there is two types of packaging materials, which is primary and secondary. The primary, which is the direct to our food, direct contact to our food, and the secondary, which is the outer packaging material, like the boxes, like the cartons. But the bottles in this site or in this production type are primary packaging, which is direct contact to our food, so it must be controlled as the product itself, so which is not significant risk. So there is no need for the decision tree question, and of course it is a prerequisite program about the cleaning process of the bottles and ensure the good storage practices or good warehouse practices are implemented in our facility or in the supplier facility itself. Okay, the chemical hazard will be little bit the same due to the unclean bottles and the certified supplier, also the like the previous one, and the biological hazard are a little bit similar to the physical hazard. So the bottles filling or the primary packaging, let me mention it here that it is in a primary packaging. Okay, sorry. Okay, we are in process number, okay, process number 9. Okay, continue the bottles capping. Let's us see again our process. Let me zoom out. Sorry, zoom in, not zoom out. Now we are zooming in. Okay, we have finished all these processes and bottles filling. Now the bottles capping. Capping are putting the capsule on the bottle itself. So the physical hazard are also important in this primary packaging. Of course, the same reason about the unclean bottle cap. Okay, the improper storage of the cap or the capsule, either from the supplier or from our improper storage. This is very critical to your industry, and some facilities or some productions are defining the The primary packaging processes are CCP, but also according to the risk assessment and according to the CCP decision tree. Okay, and on the other side, the control mechanism by proper cleaning for this bottle's cap. If we are cleaning it in our facility, the certificate of analysis from the supplier, the proper good storage practices of these bottles, and GWP, good warehouse practices. And some companies are making the bottle leak tracker program or bottle leak tester, which is testing the proper closure of our bottles. تمام. Sorry, not تمام. Okay, fine. Then the maintenance of this leak tester and the proper maintenance of this bottles tracker program. I want to mention a very important part about the, excuse me, yes, some companies, for controlling the microbiological effect or the microbiological hazard in the primary packaging material, they are putting the not the pasteurization process, they are putting another step here after the primary packaging or after the packaging process about the radiation process to kill any microbiological hazard. And instead of pasteurization here, they are adding, after step number 10, they are adding the radiation process for killing any microbiological or some kind of sterilization of or ultraviolet sterilization of the product as a control if there is any microbiological effect here instead of pasteurization, or when they have done here the process of the ultraviolet or the sterilization process by infrared machine or equipment or device. So the pasteurization process will be OPRB and the CCP will be the last process of controlling the microbiological hazard. So it's very, very, very important about the proper cleaning and proper maintaining of your primary packaging process. So here it will be also the biological hazard are similar to the other hazards in the bottles capping or in the primary packaging processes or taking care of our primary packaging. Thank you so much, dears, and thank you for great comments. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe our content, and best of luck of all of you from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel, the best food safety channel on YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye bye.